Hey guys! So today I'm going to be modding and testing out some switches using the Epomaker TK68. It is a stacked acrylic keyboard and it also is gasket mounted. The RGB on this thing is stunning, I mean just look at that. So this keyboard comes in a clear case or a matte case, and the one that I have is the clear case version. So let's go ahead and hear how this thing sounds completely stock. Alright, so now it's time to unscrew the case, and this part was so annoying because there's a billion screws on this thing, and I was just sitting there wishing that I had one of those like little mini electric screwdriver things that like all the cool people have. Yeah, really needed that for this video. You know what? It just occurred to me that I forgot to film me modding the stabilizers. Womp womp. It's okay, you're not missing anything. I am horrible at modding stabs. Me and stabs just is not working. I don't know. So, you didn't miss anything, but I basically just removed the factory lube and then added, I don't know if I did Krytox or dielectric. I think I used Krytox. Anyway, they still sound bad, so it doesn't even matter. You can see here I'm doing the tape mod. I did 3 layers of masking tape. I had tested so many different types of foam in this keyboard trying to accomplish the deepest sound profile, and this memory foam seemed to work the best for me. So I will have it linked in the description, but I just got it off of Amazon. I ultimately had to play around with how tight I screwed the screws in. For the rest of the video you'll notice that it was pretty tight, so it kind of created like some squeaking where the gaskets were rubbing against the case, and later on I ended up spraying some WD-40 on each of the gaskets so that it would prevent the squeaking from happening, and it worked. For the keycaps, I'm using POM jellies, and just look at them, like aren't they so cute? My only complaint is that the spacebar arrived in the mail warped, so you'll see me fighting for my life with the spacebar throughout the whole video. Oh, and I somehow misplaced specifically the right function, control, and alt keycaps. Like, I mean, I have no idea where they are. But anyway, let's hear a sound test. Originally, this video was just supposed to be me modding the board to give it the thockiest sound, but you know, the ADHD was ADHDing, and I was like, why not just try like all the switches that I have in here? So long story short, after like 3 or 4 different switches, I realized this was not the move. This was never the goal, this was never the point, but we're gonna work with it. I'm definitely more of a tactile girly, but I did incorporate 2 different linear switches in this video as well. Up next, we have Akko Cream Blues, and all of the switches in this video have been hand lubed with 205 grade 0. Now onto the Tecsee Coral switches. I feel like I'm saying that wrong. Moving on to the Tecsee Purple Pandas. Okay, tactiles are done. So for my linear people, this part's for you. We have the Gateron Milky Yellows up next. Also at the end, I'll have all the sound tests back to back in sequence. So at this point, I had realized, like, wait a minute, the whole point of this keyboard is RGB. Like, let's see what it looks like. So I turned it on for this sound test. And finally, we have the Tecsee Ice Candy switches. For the rest of the video, it's just going to be each sound test back to back, so I'm going to go ahead and go, but thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye!